Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Facebook data download for privacy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on the downward arrow to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Your Facebook Information. Look for the option labeled Download Your Information. Click on Download Your Information to proceed. A new page will open displaying various data categories. You can select specific data you want to download, such as posts, photos, or messages. Check or uncheck the boxes according to your preferences. Next, choose the date range for the data you wish to back up. Select the format you prefer for the download, such as HTML or JSON. Then, choose the media quality for photos and videos. Once you have made your selections, scroll down and click on the Create File button. Facebook will now prepare your data for download. This process may take some time, depending on the amount of data. Once your file is ready, you will receive a notification. Return to the Download Your Information page to find your prepared file. Click on Available Files to view your download options. Finally, click on Download next to the file you want to save. The data will be downloaded to your device as a zip file. Make sure to store this file securely to protect your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.